Hey everyone, Honor's latest technological innovations have created quite a stir. The company has released the Honor Pad 9 Pro tablet in its native China, following the release of the Honor 200 Lite 5G smartphone in France. This announcement occurs soon after the Honor Pad 9's MWC 2024 premiere. Smooth visuals are produced by the Honor Pad 9 Pro's 12.1-inch TFT LCD display, which has an amazing 144Hz refresh rate and a crisp resolution of 2560 by 1600, offering a full DCI-P3 color gamut and 1.07 billion color support. The display guarantees a vivid and engaging visual experience. Under the hood, the tablet is powered by a Dimensity 8100 chipset, offering robust performance. Users can opt for configurations with up to 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage, ensuring smooth multitasking and ample space for apps and media. Running on MagicOS 8.0 based on Android 14, the Honor Pad 9 Pro is equipped with a sizable 10,050 mAh battery that supports 35 watts fast charging, keeping users powered up throughout the day. Audio enthusiasts will appreciate the tablet's setup of 4 speakers and 4 tweeters, delivering a rich and immersive audio experience. In terms of photography, the tablet features a 13 megapixels rear camera and a 5 megapixels front camera, providing decent imaging capabilities for a tablet. With a sleek profile measuring 6.64 mm in thickness and weighing around 589 grams, the Honor Pad 9 Pro offers a blend of portability and functionality. The pricing of the cheapest configuration, which includes 256 GB of storage and 8 GB of RAM, is 2199 yuan, or roughly $303. The higher tier model, which comes with 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage, costs 2499 yuan, or about $345, for those who need even more power and capacity. Users that perform demanding tasks, like gaming, creating content, or multitasking with several programs and large files, will find this improved configuration excellent. Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, 5G capability, and a handy Type-C connection for flexible connectivity are among the available connectivity options. All things considered, the Honor Pad 9 Pro seems to be a strong option for consumers looking for a high-performing and feature-rich tablet. What do you think about the new tablet? Write your opinion in the comments. Thanks for watching, have a nice day and God bless you.